It's your girl Dominique.
It's your boy Donovan.
And we're about to do the slime mixing for y'all. So I'm so sorry that y'all can't see our faces because we are about to do. Tell them.
The slime mixing.
It's a challenge, y'all.
Yeah.
So we're about to show you all of our slimes. It's not my slimes. It's not a lot. So sorry, y'all, but it's good enough. And we're going to be doing more videos for y'all.
I'm only allowed to pick it.
Alright, go ahead. And he's gonna help me mix them too. He just said he's only allowed to poke it. That's why he's poking that one because that one's not sticky. The next one is sticky.
It's kind of sticky.
Alright, so that was that one.
It's not hard.
Yeah, it's not hard. The next one is the sticky kind of one. It's kind of sticky. It's sticky enough for him not to play with. And sorry for upstairs. They're playing the PlayStation, PS4. I don't know what I don't know. Alright, the next one. Oh, stop. Can't get it open.
You help. Dang.
Okay, it's like
Yeah, I'm about to play with that.
small. So here, you can play with it.
Dang.
It's not hard. You
Ooh,
just
it's smooth.
it's stretchy, y'all.
Yeah, and it's smooth.
And it's a white slime, so I might color it. Well,
Yeah,
it's
maybe
obviously gonna
purple.
It's obviously going to be color when it gets in the slime.
Maybe half purple and then half.
No, but
maybe
remember,
half
we're about to mix it with all the slime, so
Oh,
it's
yeah.
going to be a color. The next one he's going to play with,
Yay.
it has like sparkles in it, and it's not hard. It's just the way he pokes it, like. Oh, it kind of is hard.
Yeah.
I haven't played with this in a long time. But that's why we got that ocean.
Yeah, lotion. Got the lotion.
Boom.
Got the lotion, yeah, Got the lotion, yeah. I say yes,
All right, y'all. So
Okay,
the lotion
now
is
can I feel
really
it?
not in the camera.
I ain't feeling it till all that stuff is off.
It's lotion. And this is my little brother, and he's playing with the purple one right now, as you can hear. Boy. All right, that kind of fixed it. I don't know.
Okay, can I feel
All right,
it now?
play with it. And we have
Yeah, I
one
kinda
more for
fixed it.
y'all. The only reason why we don't have really that much anymore because I mixed to make this purple one.
You mixed it. Like you mixed
Play with it in the camera.
two of it.
I mixed two. I had a green one and
A
a
purple
purple one, and I just added some more food coloring for the purple.
Yeah, and then
The
it
next
turns
one,
like-
yeah. And the next one
Ah,
is
we
this.
both said yeah.
This one's not hard either. It's just like from me playing with the
I
other
can put
slimes.
this
It
one.
has its sleeves now and again. Okay, for
I'm gonna
me
have to put-
playing with like other slimes, it has like colors in here because we just got done playing with this. Well, not just got done, but we played with this green one, and he's playing with the green one
Yeah, it's not that sticky.
behind the camera.
It's not that sticky. I can just like poke it and then
Oh, but
get
big
that
bubble.
there.
All right, you ready to start the slime mixing, Donovan?
Yeah.
Let's get started.
If it gets too hard,
I'm
I'm
not
gonna be
pig, sorry.
mad.
Let's get started. The bowl
I'll
that I have is on a stand, so you can see that stand.
Yeah.
Here's the bowl has a little bit of glitter on it and stuff. So the first one we're gonna mix in. Put it in there, Donovan.
Just I like to play with it. It's so like soft and smooth.
All right, which one should we mix in next?
This one,
All right, go ahead.
the glittery one. It's gonna do this glitter one. So put it in there.
All right, I just picked up the camera while he's mixing it. Now keep mixing it. Take it off the bowl, and mix it.
Okay. Ooh,
We might add some
it's
shaving
like
cream.
thick. And some like
He's gonna hold the camera while I try to
Really?
mix it, and then he's gonna add some more slime in there. Move your fingers, boy.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Oh,
Okay, y'all.
that's
So
looking
the camera, the colors
good. That's looking
are coming
good.
through. You already know.
Yeah, that's looking good. And with sparkles.
So the slime is obviously gonna have sparkles or glitter or whatever you want to call it in it. Alright, so we're going to put it back in the bowl. And he's going to pick another one to mix in. So let's put it hopefully back on the stand while he puts another one. Okay, never mind. We're just going to hold it like that. So,
Okay, this purple one. With
Purple
that
one?
slime.
alright, mix it in there.
I'm too scared. I want that one first, the
This
green
one?
one.
He
Yeah.
wants this sticky green one in. Here, move the purple one so you can mix it in there.
Oh, dang. It got a little bit of green on it.
Well, if you don't stop playing with that purple one, alright, you here. Mix that one in there.
Okay, this one?
No, mix that in here.
Oh.
He's about to mix that. It's
Yeah, I'll
sticky.
just take this out.
Here, take the camera.
Yeah.
Alright, he's going to hold the camera for me. His finger is in the way. Move on, your finger. Okay.
Now let's
Oh my,
see
put it
what
in
color
here.
it is.
We're going to take it out and play with it.
It's a surprise what color it is.
It's most likely going to be green because it's all green.
Yeah.
And don't mind that bowl right there because it's what we use in it. Not mind, y'all. Alright, so the color is green because we had 2 greens and 1 white so far in this. Do you want to play with it? I'll go on with it. Alright, so he's going to play with it.
Ooh.
You like it?
Yeah.
We don't know. Should we add shaving cream in it? We're going to see at the end if we should add some Barbasol shaving cream. Maybe some different colors, food dye. Some lotion.
Yeah.
We'll see, y'all. So,
If it get like thick and hard.
yeah, we'll add some lotion. So that's the slime.
Yeah. So now.
So I had like beets or whatever and something in it. Alright, so Donovan, put it back in the bowl.
Okay. Ooh,
Alright, what slime are we going to put next? You want to put this one in next?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dang, it's almost falling off the table.
Alright, y'all. That's a crayon
feel
box
it. I
because
want to feel it for the last time.
Alright, here, put this over there. He's going to fill it for the last time.
Yeah,
And we
and
might make another video today.
it's kind of smooth. Well, it's a lot smooth, actually.
Y'all, look how big this is already.
Dang,
just
it's
green.
almost good to, okay, now I'm going to mix it. Yeah.
I want to mix it real quick. Here, no, you can mix it until
Okay.
it's like different color.
I think you can play with it.
Yeah. Take it out the bowl
Yeah.
so you can get it all mixed up.
Yeah, I can take
It's hard to take it out the bowl with one hand.
What the heck?
Alright, move the bowl. Alright, y'all. So it's looking like we might need a little bit of lotion.
The thing right here is like getting pink.
White.
Yes, white and pink. Well, it
Not
looks
really
hot
pink,
pink.
Yeah, it kind
so-
of looks pink a little bit, but not in the camera.
Get it off. Get off it. Okay.
So now I'm going to play with it. Hopefully he doesn't drop the phone in the slime.
Look at it.
And y'all don't mind the stuff over there. We was eating Little Bites juice. And then we had to set up for this video. And then my coat jacket thingy, whatever you want to call it, my jacket is on.
It's a jacket thingy.
Yeah.
Green jacket.
Coat, whatever you want to call it. Alright, you can mix it for the rest because it's not hard, it's not sticky.
Yay.
And he likes the slime, y'all.
I'm like all slime.
You're playing with too hard.
I'll just.
Poke it.
Okay.
So y'all can see like the little glitter.
Yeah, when you put it up
And then if you
close,
start
it's
to
like. Yeah, baby.
Here,
Yeah,
Donovan,
baby,
do this.
yeah.
Like with 2 hands. I can't really do it. Hold up. I'm trying to put the camera down. Do this. And then crunch it. All the bubbles.
Okay.
Alright, I don't know if y'all saw what I just did, but he's about to try. No. Okay, put it down. Here, hold the camera real quick.
Okay.
Move your hand. Just hold it like this.
Okay.
Move your hand. He keeps having his hand like in front. Okay, so this is the slime, y'all. Okay, it's really darker and like and not in the camera. So hold it with 2 hands, Donovan. 2 hands, and then stretch it out, and then you can crunch it.
Okay. So.
He cannot really hold the camera like.
Stretch it.
Because he don't know how to like the
I don't
angle
know
and
how
stuff.
to like. Yeah. That's it.
So far, this video is
Okay,
6
hold on.
minutes, maybe more.
It's
6 minutes and like 13 something minutes.
I like
Se-
it.
seconds,
I
sorry.
like it. But now you can play with that slime. I will play with this.
All right, he's
My
gonna play
future
with
wife.
This. He's gonna play with that one. Let's see, Donovan. Wait, put that down real quick. Put this in a bowl, Donovan. Put this green one in a bowl.
Okay.
And y'all, we are
Oh,
going
this
to
is
get.
heavy.
We're gonna get messy. So we are going to add a whole bunch of shaving cream and play with it with our hands. We're not gonna like do that or that. We're just gonna like go in. So this is how big it is, y'all.
This is gonna be a little sticky situation. Sticky, 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 sticky.
Alright, we don't know if y'all can still see us. Hopefully you can. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera right there. It's turned off for no apparent reason.
Yeah,
But
I
it's
like
technically
this stuff.
filled up to the top, so y'all can see. Here it is. It's filled up to the top.
Sticky.
But now we are going to add
I
it
think I'm in love.
with the slime. Hi, Mom. Alright, go ahead. Put that slime in there.
Okay.
So, hold the camera real quick. I want to mix it.
Okay.
Move your hand.
Hey.
Boy. Alright, y'all. So, this is what it looks like. It is too big. We have a lot of containers. Alright, y'all. So, I'm trying to
What if it's
get this
green
out.
and
But
purple?
it's too heavy.
Yeah, to like take it off at the top. Dang, it's
So-
dumb heavy.
Donovan's future wife, this purple slime is now gone.
You messed up my future wife. You
And
feel my
This
future
is
wife.
what
What
we
you doing,
use.
y'all?
This is, as you can see it over here, this is what we use to keep the camera up, and then we use this. It's like flowers and crystals. Cleaned up a little bit, but this is what it looks like. My brother's gonna play with it because you know he's in love with this slime. Boy,
I'm in love. You
at
messed
him.
up my future wife. That's why I get to play with it.
yeah, they're gonna pencil box thing. Oh, what's this? Okay,
Yay!
so we will be back. I have to throw this away. So I'm just gonna record him.
What the heck? You,
Yeah, put it right here.
That's a freaking children. You see, it's like kind of purple. It's like light purple, then like kind of like
Question, Donovan, I have a question for you.
what?
Do you think you should add shaving cream? Do you think? Alright, y'all, hold the camera again. Sorry, y'all. So, y'all, it's like an ugly kind of color, a little bit.
Who you calling ugly?
The slime color.
You ain't calling my future wife slime color? You ain't calling that? You ain't calling that ugly?
Look, it's kind of gray. Look.
Down, sister.
Alright, y'all, so
Yes,
it's
it
kind
looks
of
kind
gray.
of like it looks kind
You
of
want to add some
gray.
pink food coloring in?
Yeah.
Pink.
Then turn it pink. Get some purple too.
Hold up, after the pink.
I can
Alright,
smell
so-
windy. I can smell it
It's
too.
right there. That's why. My brother is going to
Oh.
mix. He's going to mix the food coloring and get his hands all
Dirty,
not dirty, but
messy.
yeah. There goes the food coloring.
Ooh.
Let me see your
Yeah.
hands. It kind of
I
got.
got a
on.
boo boo.
All right, put your feet up again because you
Yeah.
keep falling.
I know.
He made me stop the video. He like hit my arm and it pressed on there.
Chloe.
While he does
Moving
that,
on.
hopefully y'all can see him playing with it. Okay.
Get the thing out.
Put it over here. And play
Dang,
with it.
that thing is.
And I'm going to add some purple. I don't know if y'all can see him, but I hope y'all can see me. Both
Look
of us.
at it.
So, I'm about to add some of this food coloring in it. I hope y'all can see, but for real. Adding the food coloring, it's purple. And we're both about to mix it.
Yeah, because this is a giant slime for both of us.
Play with. We're gonna have our own section.
Can this be
And
can
the
this
next-
be my slime too?
Yeah.